And last but not least is Mr. Crash. There's Mr. Crash. Okay. Crash is a biter now. Because he doesn't like nobody messing with his wings. Yeah, he don't like it. He doesn't like anybody messing with his wings. That's his freedom. Yeah, poor guy. There's one wing. He used to be the most gentlest, best bird until Tweetums taught him all of her bad habits. But trying to get his other wing without getting bit. But he's not making it easy. Oh dear. Oh dear. Dear, dear, dear. Okay. Cut the string here. Go ahead and do his toenails. Well, I got him. Then I got to get his other wing because he's the one who's flying the most. Okay. Boy, this is the most delicate thing I've ever had to do, trimming a bird's toenails. Only because they get caught in the carpet and on the curtain and stuff. And it's just a little tiny trim. And look at that. I've got his other wing. Oh, he's not going to be happy about that. I got his other wing. And ta-da! Crash becomes unscathed, he's unhurt, and there he is, looking beautiful, sitting on the scissors that just tortured him. So, there he is. There's Crash. And he seems to be just fine. Let's see if we get on my finger. Yes. Oh, and pretty boy, that pretty boy Crash. He's on the camera now. Yes, are you unscathed and so beautiful? Yes. Crash, there he goes. Yeah, bye-bye.